Hi there, I'm Joshua Robinson. I'm from Māngere, Auckland. The award I won today was Best Editing for my short film, Hope. The main challenge I had was timing. I only had 8 weeks to focus on this and a lot of stuff going on at home wasn't exactly helping that as well. But that's pretty much the only challenge that I had. The value I chose was mana and manaki because I wanted to show, I wanted to kind of build our people up with what we go through. Especially a lot of my friends have been through the same situation at home, and it's kind of come to the point where it's natural or normal. But yeah, I wanted to show people that what happens at home is what causes a lot of our Māori men to sort of distance themselves away from their families and all that type of stuff. It basically shows what family violence causes to young men and what your bad actions to your family can do. I just want to shout out to my mum because she's been through a lot. Also I want to shout out to my mother-in-law. She's also been there helping me with everything. And my little sister, my girlfriend Anisha as well, and pretty much my whole family.